Welcome all of you in online classes. Today discuss about transformation of the BSc third year mathematics syllabus in complex number book. So this article transformation is also, you know, that mapping between two planes. First plane is denoted by Z plane and second plane is W plane. Here Z is complex plane and W is also complex plane. So taken in this article some transformation, some mappings, in which first mapping is translation mapping. The map W is equal to Z plus beta types transformation is called translation mapping. W is equal to Z beta, where W is complex number, Z complex number and beta is also complex number. In the Z plane, coordinates of Z denoted by Z in Z plane and coordinates of W in the W plane, where beta is translation. So in this mapping shape and shape will be same as Z plane and W plane, but size will be changed because here size changed by beta times of Z. So is area covered by 2 meter in the Z plane. So in the W plane, according by translation mapping, covered by 2 times of this. So by definition of the translation mapping, W is equal to Z plus beta corresponding to a translation. For this mapping, figure in W plane is same as figure in Z plane, but only different by origin. For this, taken an example. Here example is, let a rectangle domain capital R be bounded by x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. This is bounded area in the Z plane. So determine the domain, corresponding domain area in W plane. According by here given a mapping, W is equal to Z plus 1 minus 2i. This mapping is type translation mapping. So for this, write the solution. First, given that domain in domain region in Z plane is bounded by x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and z is equal to x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. And given that transformation is mapping is W is equal to Z plus 1 minus 2y, and given mapping is W is equal to Z plus 1 minus 2i. You know that in the W plane, W is the combination of real value u and imaginary value small v denoted in y-axis and small u is denoted in real axis, means x-axis corresponding to x-axis, and in Z plane is combination of real x and imaginary y. So putting all these two values of W and Z, u plus iv is equal to x plus I y plus 1 minus 2 I. Here in this equation, taken total real values in one bracket and total imaginary value in second bracket. So x plus 1 in first bracket and plus I taken outside from the bracket in imaginary part. So here is y minus 2. y minus 2. U plus iv is equal to x plus 1 plus I times y minus 2. So it is implies that u plus iv is equal to x plus 1 plus I times y minus 2. After comparing to this equation of real and imaginary values, you can write u is equal to x plus 1 and y is equal to v is equal to y minus 2. After this, first draw a table for z plane, and after then calculating to the x, u is equal to x plus 1 and v is equal to y minus 2, complete to the table for w plane. So first draw a table for z plane. In the z plane, the value of x and corresponding y, x is equal to, this is y, so x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, x is equal to here, x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2, y is equal to also equal to 1. Is complete solution of the x-axis. And for w plane is also known as Argand plane. So for this, draw a table, write small u here in the w plane. Small u is a real value and small v is imaginary value. So u and v, first and second. When x is equal to 0, for corresponding 0, so when x is equal to 0, putting x is equal to 0 and v is equal to 1, and when x is equal to 2, v is equal to 3, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. And for small v, putting the value of y from this table, y is equal to 0, so v is equal to minus 2, and y is equal to 1 and v is equal to 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So it is implies that 2 points on the z plane and 2 points on the w plane is clear. First draw domain region in w plane. For z plane, table is x 0, 2 and y value is 0, 1, and in the z plane considered points are 0 whose coordinates 0, 0, point capital A coordinates 2, 0 and point capital B coordinates 2, 1 and point capital C coordinates 0, 1. So in the z plane, for draw domain region, consider 4 points whose coordinates and symbols are 0, A, B, C. Here 0 is denoted by this and x-axis and y-axis 0. First point capital A whose coordinates is 2, 0. Suppose that is 2 and 0. So is point capital A coordinates 2, 0. And second point is capital B whose coordinates are 2, 1. So 2 means x-axis and 1 means y-axis. So 2, 1 is B, 2, 1. And last point is capital C, coordinates are 0, 1 means y-axis along 0, x-axis along 0 and y-axis along 1. So is equal to 1, same as denoted by C coordinate 0, 1. In Z plane, this is Z plane and this is W plane. First taken Z plane. In the Z plane, given that x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 is the boundary line of the rectangular domain region. For this, calculate 4 points whose coordinates are 0, 0, 2, 0 and point B 2, 1 and point C 0, 1. Draw these points on Z plane. So point 0 denoted by 0, 0 coordinates and point capital A 2, 0 and point capital B 2, 1, 1 and point capital C 0, 1. After this, draw these points. So this and this is denoted by domain capital D. So in the Z plane, required rectangle is OABC and in symbol form is denoted by capital D. But in the question, find to the image of this rectangle on the W plane by mapping, by given mapping Z plus 1 minus 2I. So here for this, putting the values of Z and W, W is equal to U plus IB and Z is equal to X plus IY, and after simplification, real value is equal to U X plus 1 and imaginary V is equal to Y minus 2. Draw a table for this U and V, 1, 3, minus 2, minus 1, 1 here, putting X is equal to 0 and U X plus 0, so U is equal to 1 and putting X is equal to 2, so E is equal to 3, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Similarly, putting all values of Y 0 and 1 in small v Y minus 2, then the values of V is equal to minus 2 and minus 1 is clear. So with this, you can consider 4 points, capital O, capital A dash, capital B dash, capital C dash. Coordinates of capital O dash is equal to 1 minus 2, here first pair taken 1 minus 2, and point coordinates capital A is taken 3 minus 2, so 3 minus 2, and point capital B is taken 3 minus 1, this is 3 minus 1, and point capital C is taken 1 minus 1. So here pairing is such as first, second and third and fourth. So in the W plane, points are O dash, A dash, B dash, C dash. Draw these points on the W plane. Point O dash is denoted by 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2. Point A dash is denoted by 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2, and point B dash is denoted by 3 minus 1. So here symbol B is denoted by 3 minus 1, and symbol C is denoted by 1 minus 1. So in the W plane, 4 points denotion is clear. After this, draw these points with help of a line, C O dash, A dash, and A dash B dash, and B dash, C dash, and C dash. This is denoted by D dash. So in the W plane, required region is denoted by D dash, bounded, which is already bounded and is rectangular, same as a rectangular in the W plane, figure W plane. So image of W plane, image of Z plane on the W plane will be same and denoted by D dash, and only changed by the origin. Here origin is O on the intersecting of the axis, but here origin on the third quadrant, first, second, third and fourth quadrant. Here it is denoted by real axis and V is denoted by imaginary axis. Negative sign and negative sign, minus U, minus V, minus V. So it's complete transformation image according by question. In this question, given that a transformation and a bounded area in Z plane, after simplification and draw a table, considered 4 points on the Z plane and corresponding 4 points on the W plane. Draw figure in the Z plane and W plane, so it's clear solution of this question. In next question, find the region on W plane for W is equal to Z e to power I times pi by 4, where in Z plane region is bounded by x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and x plus y is equal to 1. In this question, region in the Z plane is given, for which conditions are x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and x plus y is equal to 1. So, here line x is equal to 0, line y is equal to 0 and line x plus y is equal to 1 is the intercepted line in the Z plane, and the given transformation is W is equal to Z e to power I pi by 4. This transformation is also known as rotation transformation, rotation mapping. So, in this question given a given rotation transformation W is equal to Z e to power I pi by 4 and in the Z plane given region. Find to the region in W plane with help of this transformation. So, write to the solution. Given rotation mapping is W is equal to Z e to power I pi by 4. Here putting the value of W, U plus IV and Z is also a complex number. So, Z is equal to x plus IY. Putting W is equal to U plus IV and Z is equal to x plus IY. Then transformation is U plus IV is equal to x plus IY and e to power I pi by 4. Here putting the value of exponential function e to power I pi, the value of e to power I pi by 4 means x plus IY is cos theta cos pi by 4 plus I times sin theta means sin pi by 4. After simplification, you can find to the real value small u and small v, imaginary value small v. It is implies that u plus IV is equal to x plus IY cos 45 plus I times sin 45 is equal to x plus IY cos 45 is equal to 1 by under root 2 plus I times sin 45 is equal to 1 by under root 2, you know that. So, 1 by under root 2 multiply to this 2 brackets is equal to 1 by under root 2 times x plus I times 1 by under root 2 times x plus I times y by under root 2 and I with I is equal to I square and y by under root 2 is equal to the value of I square, you know that -1. So, is a real value and combined with real value 1 by under root 2x, here taken 1 by under root 2 from the bracket, write x plus y and I times imaginary value is x by 2 and y by x by 2, x multiplied by 1 by under root 2 and x multiply this is equal to 1 by under root 2. Here write 1 by under root 2. So I taken from the bracket x and also under root 2 x minus y, x plus y. Please checking again. 1 by under root 2 and I square minus 1. So in one bracket and taken 1 by under root 2 from the bracket x minus y plus taken I by under root 2 from the bracket here x plus y, x plus y. U plus iv is equal to 1 by under root 2 times x minus y plus I times 1 by under root 2 times x plus y. So comparing to these equations of real and imaginary values, नहीं 40 तक. So comparing real and imaginary values, it is implies that u is equal to 1 by under root 2 x minus y and small v is equal to 1 by under root 2 times x plus y. U is equal to 1 by under root 2 times x minus y and v is equal to 1 by under root 2 times x plus y. First draw a figure on z plane and table. So for z plane, given that boundary is x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and x plus y is equal to 1. So for this draw a table here. X axis, y axis and 0, 0 component. So first x is equal to 0, given that x is equal to 0 means taken in y axis, suppose that point capital A, and y is equal to 0, means x axis, suppose that point is capital B, and a line x plus y is equal to 1, line x plus y is equal to 1. This is line represented by AB line AB, it x plus is equal to 1. So coordinates of these points is equal to x is 0 and 1 and is equal to 1 0, 1 0. So from the figure, coordinates of point capital O, point capital B and point capital A is clear, that means O 0 0, point A is 0 1 and point B is 1 0. So is domain in the z plane, right here z plane, and is domain capital D. According by question, given that domain capital D in z plane and represented by H. So first draw a table x and y, putting the all values of x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. It is represented to points capital O coordinates 0 0, capital A coordinates 0 1 and capital B coordinates are 1 0. Corresponding these 3 points, you calculate to 3 points on the W plane. So putting the value of x and y in this equation, suppose that is represented by equation first. In the equation first, putting the value of x and y, then coordinate of O, corresponding coordinate is denoted by O dash, and coordinate of u is equal to 0 minus 0, total is equal to 0. So 0, and v coordinate here V component 1 by under root 2 x plus 0 and 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. So corresponding coordinates, corresponding points capital O dash coordinates are 0 0 and corresponding of point capital A is denoted by A dash whose coordinates u is equal to putting x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. So x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1 is equal to minus 1 by under root 2 minus 1 by under root 2 and v is equal to x putting x is equal to 0 y means 1 by under root 2 1 by under root 2. At last capital B dash point corresponding to the point capital B. For this putting x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1, then u is equal to 1 by under root 2 and v is equal to 1 by under root 2. Y is equal to 0, so 1 by under root 2 and 1 by under root 2. These 3 points O dash, A dash, B dash corresponding to the points capital O, capital A, capital B in Z plane. Draw a figure on the Z plane. First draw a table. Table points is clear. So in Z plane, draw figure is x-axis denoted by small u and imaginary axis denoted by small v. Here minus u and minus v. In the origin point denoted by capital O dash. So in W plane corresponding point O is O dash whose coordinate is also 0 0. So it denoted by point capital O dash. After this coordinate of A dash corresponding to point A, coordinate of A dash are minus 1 by under root 2, minus 1 by under root 2 and v is equal to 1 by under root 2. So in the u axis taken negative sign minus and v axis taken positive sign plus. Suppose that this is point A dash whose coordinates is minus 1 by under root 2 and 1 by under root 2. At last point capital B dash corresponding to the point capital B in Z plane. B dash coordinates are 1 by under root 2 and 1 by under root 2. So this denoted by B dash coordinate 1 by under root 2 and 1 by under root 2. Meeting all these points and draw a complete domain in W plane, this and this, denoted by D dash. So it's complete mapping of Z plane in the W plane by mapping W is equal to Z e to power I pi by 4, which is also represented and also known as rotation mapping. So in this question given that a rotation mapping W is equal to Z e to power I pi by 4. For this first simplify to the mapping W is equal to Z plus e to power I pi by 4. After putting W is equal to u plus iv and Z is equal to x plus I y. And simplification give to u is equal to 1 by under root 2 times x minus y e and v is equal to 1 by under root 2 times x plus y. First draw a figure on the Z plane by given conditions x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and x plus 1 is equal to x plus y is equal to 1. So in the Z plane draw these points, point capital O, capital A and capital B and meeting to these points by lines. So is domain rectangular domains in the Z plane denoted by capital D. After this, in the case of W plane, find the corresponding points for O, A and B, which are O dash, A dash, B dash After putting the values of x and y in first equation, x, y in first equation, so O dash coordinates are 0, 0, A dash coordinates are minus 1 by under root 2, 1 by under root 2, and B dash coordinates are 1 by under root 2 and 1 by under root 2. Plot these points on W planes, then a complete figure D dash is a triangular figure which is rotated by 45 degree from the original figure in Z plane. So this mapping is rotation mapping and is the complete solution of the question. In this question, find the region on W plane by mapping W is equal to 2Z, and in Z plane region is bounded by following conditions: x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, and z is equal to x plus y is equal to 1. So this type mapping is called magnification mapping, and in this mapping, given that W plane region which is bounded by x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x plus 1 is equal to 1, means is a rectangular region in the W plane, for which with help of the given transformation W is equal to 2Z, calculate and draw, calculate to the points, and after then draw a figure in the W plane, means region in the W plane. Solution: given mapping is W is equal to 2Z. So here simplify W is equal to 2Z, simplify to this mapping, and in this mapping putting W is equal to U plus IV and Z is equal to X plus IY, then U plus IV is equal to 2 times X plus IY. After simplification, the value of U is equal to 2X plus I times 2Y. It is implies that U is equal to 2X and V is equal to 2Y, is represented by equation second. So in the equation second, the value of real small u and small v is clear that U is equal to 2 times of X and V is equal to 2 times Y, means here magnified to the real and imaginary axis according by this mapping. But given that X is equal to 0, Y is equal to 0 and X plus Y is equal to 1, and in Z plane, given that region is bounded by X is equal to 0 line, Y is equal to 0 line, these lines are coordinates line, and X plus Y is equal to 1 is third line. So first draw figure in the Z plane. The x-axis, y-axis, and 0 point. Here given that draw line x is equal to 0, means y-axis. So is y-axis, suppose that point capital A. And second line is y is equal to 0, means x-axis. So on the x-axis draw a particular distance, and reaching the point capital B, and meeting point is origin capital O. Third line is x plus y is equal to 1. So this is third line which passing through the point A and B. A and B is denoted by x plus y is equal to 1. From the figure, it is clear that coordinates of point A are x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1, and x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0. This area is denoted by capital D. So in Z plane, domain is denoted by capital D, and complete to the table on Z plane. Here x value and y value, x is equal to 0 0 and 1 1. Means suppose that x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 1, and y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 1. So after putting the value of x and y, is complete table, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and 1 1. It is implies that points on the Z plane are capital O coordinates 0 0, capital A coordinates 0 1, and point capital B whose coordinates are 1 0. So it's clear that points on the Z plane are 0 A and B whose coordinates 0 0 0 1 1 0, because here on the y axis, on the x axis, and this is line x plus y is equal to 1. So Z plane points are clear. After this, point to the corresponding points on the W plane, means corresponding points O dash on the W plane. After putting x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 in the equation second, and corresponding points on the W plane, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1 in the second equation, and for corresponding point capital B, putting the value of x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0 in equation second. So first calculate two corresponding points of these 3 points on the W plane, then here right here, then point capital O dash, corresponding point of point capital O means origin, putting x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 in equation second. X is equal to 0, then u is equal to 0, u is equal to 0, and v is equal to 2y. So y is equal to 0 in this equation. After then v is equal to 0. This is corresponding point capital O dash, and similarly corresponding point for capital A is capital A dash, and for this putting x is equal to 0 in a u. So u is equal to 0, u is equal to 0, and y is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 in equation second. So v is 2, v is equal to 2. At last corresponding point b dash, for b dash putting the value of x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 means u is equal to 2 and v is equal to 0. These 3 points O dash, A dash, B dash all lies on the W plane. So on W plane plot these 3 points here, u axis, v axis, minus u axis, minus v axis is the origin O dash, O dash. Coordinate of origin O dash 0 0. So here denoted O dash, O dash, and point capital A dash 0 and v is equal to 0 means this is point A dash, here double A dash, coordinates are 0 2 and point capital B dash coordinates are 2, 0 means at real axis 2 distance and imaginary axis 0 distance. So here 2 distance denoted by B dash, coordinates is 0 to 2, 0. So it's clear that all 3 points O dash, A dash, B dash, which are corresponding points on the Z plane, point O origin, point A and point B. In the W plane, A dash 0 2, B dash 2 0 and O dash 0 0. Here you can write 0 0. After this, meeting these 3 points, So this equation, this line equation is U plus V is equal to 2, and this area denoted by capital D dash. Capital D dash is shown in the figure, W plane. So is the required of the question. Find to the region in the W plane for which mapping condition is W is equal to 2Z, and in the Z plane region bounded by x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and x plus y is equal to 1. For this, putting the u plus iv and z is equal to x plus iy, and after simplification to this equation, calculate the value of real value u is equal to 2x, which is a relation in x real axis of the Z plane and real axis of W plane. And second is v is equal to 2y, which is a relation between imaginary axis of Z plane and imaginary axis of W plane. So in the equation second, it's clear that real and imaginary is increasing by 2 times. First, draw a complete diagram in the Z plane by given condition W plane. So in the given condition, draw a line x is equal to 0. This line is y axis. So draw a line y axis. Suppose that is reached at the point capital A. So coordinates of point capital A are 0, 1. And in the x axis means y is equal to 0. The equation of x axis. Suppose the reaching point is capital B, then coordinates of point capital B are 1, 0. And meeting point of these 2 axis line is 0, so which coordinates is 0, 0. And also given that a line, third line, x plus y is equal to 1. So draw, this is third line, x plus y is equal to 0. Its bounded region is called region on the Z plane, which is bounded by given conditions. So is denoted by capital D. Capital D is region on the Z plane. For this image of this D region on the W plane, first consider the points, coordinate point O, point A, point B. Then from the figure, it is clear that coordinates of point O is 0, 0, coordinate of point capital A are 0, 1, and coordinate of point capital B 1, 0. Corresponding this, calculate to the points O dash, A dash, B dash on the W plane with help of the second equation. Second equation is u is equal to 2x and v is equal to 2y. Here for O dash, putting x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 in these equations. And for point capital A, putting x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1 in equation second. So A dash is complete, whose coordinates 0 and 2. Same as for point capital B dash, corresponding point on the W plane, putting x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0 in equation second. Then coordinate of B dash are 2 and 0. So point O dash, A dash, B dash are corresponding points on the W plane. On the W plane. After this, draw a figure and denoted to these points on the W plane. O dash 0, 0, whose coordinates are 0, 0, and point A dash whose coordinates 0, 2 and point capital B dash whose coordinates 2, 0. So here point A dash, point B dash, point O dash. After this, meeting all these points and draw a complete domain in W plane, which is denoted by capital D dash. So capital D dash is required domain in the W plane according by question. Is complete solution of the question.